So this is the Tavares History Museum. And a children's park, water park. As it says on the little plane, it's Lake Dora. A lot of times I see some gators over in this area. And over there in that little corner, it's usually babies or kind of medium size. There's lots of parking. There's bar restaurants over on that side. And ice cream shop over there. That's really cool. And on down that away, there's quite a few bar restaurants as well. You can, I think, take tours out on these planes, which would be a lot of fun. Me and Mom sit out on the front porch down there and watch the planes take off and land. It's pretty cool. Looks like fun. Yep. I need to buy some bird seed. Come here, squirrel. I always have plenty of peanuts and walnuts for them. I have to get some bird seed. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's another one coming down the tree. Okay, y'all have to get closer. Get it. Here. I'll hand it to you. There you go. There you go. Hi. Here. Hello. This is hard to do. Trying to take video. Hold on. Okay, you ready? Bird, come on. Here. Oh my. Okay, I have to open the other container. Hold on. Oh my goodness, everybody's so hungry. Okay, here. Where are you at? Anybody else? Oh, here's one. He's coming to see me. There you go. Okay, here you go. Okay. Oh my. There's one right at my feet. Okay. Oh man. Here. Okay, come on. You're gonna have to come down. Ugh. This is very hard to do. Oh my goodness. Come on now. I can't feed the squirrels if you guys are right here. There's a... Come here. You gonna eat it out of my hand? No? The ones at Altamont do. Come here. Oh my goodness. This is aggravating. Trying to feed these babies. Come here, little one. Where are you at? There was a teeny tiny one. Where's... Here. Alright, this is not easy at all. Alright, I gotta stop. They're driving me crazy. Oh my goodness. That's just too hard to do. Alright. Yeah, you see there's lots of squirrels, lots of birds, all in one area. Trying to fight for the peanuts. I'm sorry. Next time I have to bring some bird seed. But anyway, isn't this cool? Yeah. Very cool. This is the building. Oh, you've got one of those peanuts. Little stinker. There's the Marina. Prop shop, snacks, gifts, and apparel. See, there's the other bar and grill. Actually, there's another one, two others over that way, I believe. And they have live bands in the evenings. I don't know if you could see that. The sun is shining on it. Let's walk down here. Nice boat. Goodness. Sorry, birdies. See over that way, you can see the other bar and grill.